So again, in 1 it's Austin, 2 Joe, 3 John, and 4 Rob. So we're going to have Austin go another tone in lesson 5. Joe, John, Rob. All right, the race is running. 13.5 two-wheel drive buggy. Not really. I wish it was. Stadium truck. Woo! Austin opens it up with a 15.7. Everybody else is in the 16s. Ooh, I didn't see what happened, but Joe Lintag now has the lead. Rob 2, John 3, and Austin 4. Right now, Joe Lintag is leading Rob by 3/10 of a second. Ooh, Austin is running a 15.405. Joe Lintag running 15.621. Rob's running 15.650. And then Joe answers it back with a 15.384 for new fast lap. Rob and Joe Lintag 1.4 seconds apart. Austin at 3, John at 4. All right, got 2:50 remaining. Right now, Joe leads Rob by 3 seconds. Rob leads John by 5 seconds. And Austin and John are battling out less than a second apart. Coming up on the halfway mark, drivers. I will take a quick 10 or so minute break between rounds. I think the only person I know that's broke it was Ernie, and maybe he's already fixed. Austin just ran a 14.667. Rob just ran a 14.997. Caution after big tabletop. Caution after big tabletop. Clear. Right now, still the full foul track is Joe and Rob. They're 3.4 seconds apart. 1:25 remaining. Austin's in 3 and John's in 4. Joe and that being the court marshal there. Let's see what happens at the end of this lap. Ooh, it looks like Rob took over the lead by 0.76 of a second. 45 seconds remaining. I think the watermelon power is running out. Rob has the lead by 7.728. Rob now has only the lead by 9/100ths of a second. Rob is pushing to still 1 to 2 more laps to go. He's up on 2 wheels going around the corner. Kelly, you are done. Nobody's done. Oh, Austin, your first one done. Joe's done. John and Rob are all done. All right, everybody's done. So now it's Rob, followed by Joe, Austin, and John.